Welcome back again to our online class. Today also we'll continue the same chapter, chapter 2, that is addition and subtraction. Since we have already finished addition, today we'll start subtraction. And I have written here some of the points related to subtraction. Just see, first point number 1, we always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. That means from larger number, a smaller number can minus. Okay, from a smaller number, the larger number is called diminuent. Point number 3, the smaller number is called subtrahend. The result is known as difference. Okay, let us move to the book. Come to page number 91. Example number 1. Example number 1. Subtract 11,874 from 43,432. See, this number we have to subtract from this number. Okay, so 43,432 minus this number. Okay, this one, this 2 is the place of ones. So among this question from this number, which number is in ones place? To write just downside of this 2. So 4, 4, 7, 8, 1, 1. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. So first we have to minus these two numbers. From 2 we can't minus 4. Okay. So what we have to do? We will take 110 from 3. 110. We will not take 1. Not only 1. Okay. We will take 110. 110 means 10. We will take 10 from 3. Okay. So when we take 110 from 3, 3 will become 2, and now 10 plus this 2. 10 plus 2 will get 12. This 2 become 12. Now we can minus this one. From 12 we can minus 4. From 12 we can minus 4. Okay. From 12 just count back counting. Okay. 4 times. 12. Look. 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Okay, so from 12 minus 4, otherwise you can do like that. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12, you just take out 4. Minus means we will take out, okay. So take out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now come to this 10th place. Okay, 2 minus 7. From 2 we can't minus 7. So we'll take 110 from 4. Okay, when we take 110 from 4, 4 will become 3, and this 2 will become 12. Again 12. From 12 now you have to take out 7. Okay, from 12 you have to take out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You take out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Now 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. 8 is bigger than 3, so we can't minus. So we'll take 110 from 3. When we take 110 from 3, 3 become 2. And this 3 become 13, because 10 plus 3 is 13. Now from 13 we have to take out 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have to take out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much remain? 5. Now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 we can subtract easily. From 2 we have to take out 1. From 2 when we will take out 1, how much remain? 1. So we write here 1. From 4 we will take out 1. From 4 when we take out 1, how much remain? It remain 3. So we got 31,558. Okay. Now you come to page number 93, exercise 2.4. Page number 93. Page number 93, exercise 2.4. Question number A. 30,220 minus 17,498. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We have to minus this number. Now again you see, in addition, 0 plus 8 will get 8. But in subtraction, from 0 we can't minus 8. 0 is smaller than 8. Now 0 is smaller than 8. So we'll take 110 from 2. 110 means 10. So we'll take 110 from 2. Then add this 0. How much you get? 10 plus 0 you get 10. This 0 become 10. And when we took 110 from this 2 become 1. Okay. Now 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. From 10 you have to take out 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 you have to take out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much remain? Only 2. Okay. Now 1 minus 9. Again, it is not possible. Na? So we'll take 110 from this 2. 110 from this 2, then this 2 become 1 and this 1 become 11 because 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. So 11 minus 9. From 11 we have to minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have to minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 2 remain. Okay. Now from 1 minus 4. Then also look, 1 is smaller than 4. So we'll take 110 from 0. But 0 is 0. So how we'll take 110 from 0? So first 0 will take 110 from 3. Okay. When 0 is taking 110 from 3, this 3 become 2 and this 10 become, this 0 become 10. Now you see, from 10, 1 is going this side, then this one become 9 and this one become 11. Okay. So 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7. Now 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Look, now we have 12,722. Okay. Remaining these 3 questions, B, C, D, you practice at home. Okay. Now come to the second question. Question number 2. Arrange in columns and find the difference. Arrange in column and find the difference. Okay. First question. Question number A. 13,000, 10, and 16,472. Look, we always minus from bigger to small. Okay, from these two numbers, which number is bigger? 13,010 or 16,472? Yes, 16,472 is bigger than 13,010. So we'll write this number first. Okay. 27461. Now minus 13,010. 0, 1, 0, 3, 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. From 2 you minus 0. Okay. So from any number we minus 0, we'll get same number 2. Suppose 9 minus 0, we'll get 9. 12 minus 0, we'll get 9. 999 minus 0, we'll get 999. So see, any number is subtract 0, we'll get the same number. Okay. So 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 how much? 7 minus 1, 6. From 7, look, from 7 if you minus 1, take out 1, then how much remain? Yes, 6. It's very easy, 6. So this number will be same, 4. And from 6 you minus 3. 6 minus 3 you will get 3. And 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So how much we got? We got 3,462. Okay. So remaining these 3 questions B, C, D, you practice at home. Okay. Now you come to page number 94, exercise 2.5. For exercise 2.5, question number 1, fill in the blanks. First question, question number 1, 1,61,427 minus 0. How much you will get? And just now I told you now, from any number you minus 0, we'll get the same number. So we'll get the same number. 1,61,427. Question number 2. 24,359 minus 24,359. How much you will get? Look, if suppose 4 minus 4 will get 0. 9 minus 9 will get 0. 55 minus 55 will get 0. If when same number is subtract from each other, we'll get 0. Okay. So just see in question number 2, these both numbers are same. 24,359. 24 minus 24,359. So we'll get 0. Okay. So remaining these 3 questions C, D, E, you have to practice at home. Okay. Page number 94, exercise 2.7. Question number 1 is over. Question number 2 will be homework. Okay. Question number 2 will be homework. This one, true or false. Right? True or false. Okay. Let's see. 21,890 from 43,999. So let us subtract these two numbers first. 43,999 minus 21,890. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9 will be 0. From 9 you minus 8. Okay. From 9 you take out 8. You will get 1. 3 minus 1 you will get 2. 4 minus 2 you will get 2. How much you got? 22,109. Now how to check your answer is right or wrong? 22,109 plus 21,890. Just plus these two numbers now. 9 minus 0, 9. 0 minus 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 43,999. When these two number add, you have to get this number. So your answer will be right. Okay. So now look, when we plus these two 22,109 and 21,890, we got 43,999. That means our answer is right. Okay. This is the way of checking by addition. Okay. By addition, we are checking the answer. Addition means these two numbers to check. Okay. Question number 1. Find the difference and check by addition. A. 44,825, 65,341. Among these two numbers, which one is the biggest number? Yeah, this one is the biggest number. 65,341. We'll write the one first. 65,341 minus 44,825. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 not possible, so we'll take 110 from 4. 110 means 10. When we take 110 from 4, 4 become 3 and this 1 become 11. How? 110 means 10. So 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 11. So this 1 become 11. Okay. From 11 you minus 5. When you take out 5 from 11, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You might take out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much remain? 6. So, come to 10th place. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. When we take out 2 from 3, we will get 1. 3 minus 8. Again, 3 is smaller than 8. So, we will take 110 from 5. When we take 110 from 5, 5 become 4. And this 3 become 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much remain? 5. Now, 4 minus 4. When same number is subtract from each other, we will get what? We will get 0. 6 minus 4, you will get 2. Okay. Now, let us check whether our subtract is correct or wrong by addition. For check, you have to add these two numbers. Okay, you have to add these two numbers. So 20,516 plus 44,825. when you plus these two numbers, you have to get this number 65,341. Then only your answer is correct. Okay, so let us add this one. 6 plus 5. After 6 you count 5 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we write here 1 and 1 will remain here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 8 plus 5. After 8 you count 5 times. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 we write here 3 and 1 will be carry here. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. How much we got? 65,341. 65,341. That means our subtract is correct. Okay. In this way, you have to check your answer. Remaining question B, C, D, you have to practice at home. Okay. 2. What number must be added to 36,825 to make it equal to 1,90,312? Okay. Suppose 36,825 plus dash equal to 1,90,312. Okay. What from this number will subtract this number? Okay. 1,90,312 minus 36,825. 5, 2, 8, 6, 3. Now subtract this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. Okay. From 2,
10,000 बनाओ. T जो 10,000 हो गया.
now to get what number will be there, we'll subtract 36,825 from this number, 1,90,312. So 1,90,312 minus 36,825. 5, 2, 8, 6, 3. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. So 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. 2 is smaller than 5, so not able to minus. So what we'll do? We'll take 110 from this side. When we take 110 from 1 on that side, then 1 become 0 and this 2 become 12. 12 minus 5, you will get 7. Now 0 minus 2. So again we have to take 110 from 3, then 3 become 2 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Now 2 minus 8. We'll take 110 from 0, but 0 is 0, so we'll take 110 first from 9. When we'll take 110 from 9, 9 become 8 and this 0 become 10. Okay. Now when we take 110 from 2, then this 10 will become 9 and this 2 become 12. Now 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 and 1. So in this place 1,53,487. Okay. So if these two numbers will add, it will be equal to 1,90,312. Number 97, exercise 2.7. Now we'll solve some word problem question. Okay. See question number 1. According to a survey, a total number of 5,74,065 people visited a tourist spot in a month. of these 3,29,556 were females. How many males visited the tourist spot in that month? Okay, so before we solve this question, first thing is what? We have to understand this one. Okay, so go through this one 2-3 times. Just read the question 2-3 times. Okay, look, according to this question, in a tourist spot, in 1 month, this many people are visited. Okay, 5,74,065 people are visited. Out of this, 3,29,556 were female. So rest are male. Okay, so we have to find out how number of male. Okay, so 5,74,065. Okay, total number of the people. Okay, number of female is given. Females equal to 3,29,556. Five lakhs 74,065 minus 3,29,556. Now you minus this one. Okay. 5 minus 6. 6 is bigger than 5. So we'll take 110 from 6. When we take 110 from 6, 6 become 5 and this 5 become 15. Okay. Now 15 minus 6. From 15 you just take out 6. It will remain 9. Now 5 minus 5. Okay. When same number subtract from each other, we'll get 0. 0 minus 5. So it is not possible. So we'll take 110 from 4. Then 4 become 3 and this 0 become 10. 10 minus 5. 5. 3 minus 9. 3 is smaller than 9. So we'll take 110 from 7. 7 becomes 6. And this 3 become 13. 13 minus 9. You will get 4. 6 minus 2. You will get 4. 5 minus 3. You will get 2. So 2,44,509. This is the number of male. Okay. Therefore, total number of male. Numbers of male are 2,44,509. So in this way you try question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you practice at home. 98 exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Estimate the sum by rounding of the number to nearest 10 and 100. We already finished this one in chapter 1. How to round off the numbers to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, let us solve the question first. Question number A. 22,358, 25,829. Let us convert these two numbers first to nearest 10. Okay. $22,358 to nearest 10. Look, nearest 10 means we'll see the ones place. What will see in the ones place? What number is there? Okay, it is 5 or greater than 5 or less than 5. So See, in ones place there is 8. So it is greater than 5. That means when it is greater than 5, the next number will plus by 1. Okay. So 8 will become 0 and this 5 will plus by 1. 5 plus 1, 6, and this 3 number will remain same. So how much will go? 22,360. Nearest 10 of 22,358. Now let's convert this one to nearest 10. 25,829 to nearest 10. Okay, same thing. We'll observe. We'll see ones place. What number is there? 9 is there. 9 will become 0 and it is greater than 5. So next number will plus by 1. 2 plus 1, 3, and this 3 number will remain same. 25,830 is the nearest 10 of 25,829. Now you subtract these two numbers. Okay. Now subtract 25,830 minus 22,360. 0 minus 0, you will get 0. 3 minus 6, now 3 is smaller than 6, so we will take 1/10 from 8, so 8 becomes 7 and this 3 become 13. 13 minus 6, you will get 7. 7 minus 3, you will get 4. 5 minus 2, you will get 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So how much you got? 3,470. Now this is in the form of nearest 10, but the same question we have to solve to nearest 100 also. Okay. Now same question we'll do in nearest 100. Hmm. 22,358 to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. So to convert the number to nearest 100, we'll observe the tens place. Okay, tens place. So in tens place 5 is there. 5 and 8 will become 0. 5 and 8 will become 0. Now if it is 5 or greater than 5, the next number will plus by 1. Okay, so it is 5. So next number will plus by 1. 3 plus 1, it will be 4. And remaining these two numbers will be same. 22,400 is the nearest 100 of 22,358. Now next question, 35,829 to nearest 100. So now nearest 100 means we will observe the tens place. Okay. Now this 2 and 9 it will become 0. Okay. But now you observe this 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So the next number will not plus by 1 or nothing. It will remain same. So 8 and these two numbers also will remain same. 25,800 is the nearest 100 of 25,829. Now subtract these two numbers. 25,800 minus 22,400. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 4. From 8, when you take out 4, you will get 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now, when we convert these two numbers to nearest 100, we got how much? 3,400. Okay. In this way, you have to solve remaining question like B, C, D. You practice at home. Okay. You just convert first to nearest 10 and then to nearest 100. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. estimate the difference by rounding off the number to the nearest thousand. Okay, now we have to convert only in nearest thousand. So question number 2a, 25,348, 36,829. Let us convert these two numbers first to nearest thousand. Okay, 25,348 to nearest thousand. So nearest thousand means we'll see hundredths place. Okay, means which number is there? It is 5 or greater than 5 or smaller than 5. Now nearest 100 means these three number will become 0. First this 3 will become 0, and now you see this is 3. Okay, smaller than 5. If it is smaller than 5, so next number will not plus by 1, nothing, it will remain same, 5, and this number also will remain same, 25,000. Okay, nearest thousand of 25,348 is 25,000. Now next number is 36,829 to nearest thousand. So first this 3 will become 0. Okay, we just make it this 3 0 to 0. Now you observe this one, 100 place. Nearest thousand means we'll see the 100th place. Okay, what number is there? It is 8. 8 means it is greater than 5. So when it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, next number will plus by 1. So now it is 8 is greater than 5. So 6 will be plus by 1. 6 plus 1, 7. And this 3 will remain same. Now we have 37,000 is the nearest thousand of 36,829. Now subtract this number. Among these two numbers, which one is big? Will you write outside 37,000 minus 25,000. Now you minus this one. 0 minus 0 will get 0. 0 minus 0 will get 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 5. From 7 just took out 5. How much will remain? Yeah, there is 2. 3 minus 2, you will get 1. 12,000. Okay. Now remaining 3 questions. Question number 3 and 4 and 5. You practice at home. Even